Welcome back to the channel. I still remain your host, Luca Monday, all the way from Technology. Guys, it has been a long while since I posted any video here on YouTube. Just that I'm a little bit occupied with so many things and get to which I intend doing. So, guys, let me not waste more of your time with my personal life. So, this is just a quick one. This came in today, the 16th of February 2026, and this is called the Romanian Government Scholarship. This scholarship is meant to study in Romania and it's open for both master's, bachelor's, and PhD level. So everybody can apply to this scholarship. So guys, this is just a quick one. I don't want to waste much of the time with respect to this. So this is the information with respect to the scholarship. You guys can read this. You guys are intend applying to this. I just want to go dig down to the main information that's you need to have for you to be able to put in an application, a successful application with respect to this. So guys, let's move down to the enrollment date and the necessary document. These are the critical documents we need. So first of all, they say the enrollment period begins, which is 16th, which is today. It begins today, 16 February 2026. The deadline is scheduled for March 31st, 2026. So guys, what are the documents you need to apply for this? What are the documents? What are the documents you need to apply for this? First of all, you see, for each candidate, we have to create an account based on this platform. There's a place to create an account. I'm going to show you guys. Second of all, you need a copy of the diploma obtained, both your bachelor's, your master's. If you're going for a doctorate, you need your master's. If you're going for bachelor's, you need your secondary school cert. If you're going for master's, you need your bachelor's. So the second part of it, guys, you need your transcript of the completed studies. Should be in English. For those of you guys maybe in the Francophone speaking country, you need to translate everything. Should be in English, French, or Spanish. So these are the two languages that is required. With respect to this, also you need a copy of your birth certificate. You need a copy of a birth certificate. If you're not in English, not in Spanish, not in French, you need to translate it also. Also, you need a valid passport document. You need a valid passport. You need a valid passport for this also. Also, you need a curriculum vitae with respect to this. You need a curriculum vitae with respect to this. So for those of you guys planning to apply for masters, you need your diploma, you need your transcript, you need your birth certificate, you need your passport, you need a curriculum vitae, you need your CV. While for the doctorate degree, for those of you guys applying, you need a candidate. The candidate need like an intent, a letter based on your research proposal. You need that also. You need a research proposal. And also, mind you, you need an approval. You need an approval from a doctoral professor, from a professor over there that is willing to accept you as a PhD student. So you need this to be able to attach for the to attach during the application period. So guys, these are the documents you need to apply for this. And guess what? The scholarship is free of charge. You don't have anything to pay. You don't have anything to pay. Accommodation, stipends will be provided for you. Romania is part of the European Union. So guys, you guys can easily move to Europe or other parts of the European country through this. So guys, this is just it. So let's go down to how to apply. So if you want to apply, just click create here, create an account. Create an account, it has open for you to apply to create an account. To create your account, after creating an account, this is my email. I just use my email here, so you can create an account. Once you create an account, you can easily use this to apply to this scholarship. So guys, this was it. So let me bring this update to you as quick as possible to just release this today. So guys, you guys can easily apply to this. Like I say 2026 is the year to take your luggage from where you are to your present destination. So guys, I hope to see you in the next video where I'll be dropping more information, even though it's not in Romania or in other parts of the world. So guys, stay glued to the channel for more updates. Remain blessed.